After searching through my hard drive for a couple of days, I found this. I thought it would be kind of cool to throw together and make it like a mini vlog. It was back when I was in Canada over in July. There are some other things I found of it. Just let me know if you guys want to see any more of these like kind of mini vlogs from the Canada-Alaska trip I was on. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy.
Get my phone out. I can get my video. Why can't you take a picture? Dang, does he just hang out in like...
Alright, so we're out here in Alberta, but no, British Columbia now, Canada. Earlier today we went to some hot springs, went to this one lake, got some drone footage over the lake. Now I think we're driving all night to Fairmont. I think it's still in British Columbia. Not 100% sure, my mom's. Then, after that we're making to Alaska. So yeah.
How much battery do you have left?
Like 45% left. So like 15 minutes. A seagull just... That seagull?
Over there.
Just attacked my drone in the midair. Oh my goodness. That would have been bad. That would have been very bad.
Yeah, good move.
Out into that middle.
Yep.
And then I was trying it back because I couldn't see on my phone something with the image. It started attacking, so I started filming again just to see if I could get any of the seagull flying past it. So that's all I got. It's enough. I'd rather be safe than scared.
Oh, absolutely, yes.
Scare the living daylights out of me. I would be so bummed. Well, now it's back into the van for the next 8 hours, unless we find somewhere else to stop.
The last ripple is when the coast is... How long have we been here? Half hour, 45 minutes? That's all I'm looking to do the photos.
3 of them maybe. Always prepared for disaster.
Alright, go. It's too far.
Bye, son. Am I right?
Alright, keep going. I only got one of them.
If you keep telling me, we're going to have to kill you.
I know. Those are, look at those medium-sized ones. Look at that big one. He's probably about to go. Ooh, that one thing.
Probably about to beat his wife.